Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split cells in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the cells you want to split. Now select the cells you want to split, then navigate to the Data tab and select Text to Columns. Now from this box, choose how you want to split the data. You can choose options like delimited or fixed width depending on your data. Now select how your data is split. Okay, then after select where you want the new columns and finish. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to like, comment and share our videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.